Have you ever stopped to consider the crucial role high-definition video security plays in the vast landscape of warehouse environments? It's a question that begs our attention, especially in the fast-paced world of today where security is paramount. High-definition video security in warehouse environments is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. It brings along a myriad of benefits, starting with its ability to capture more detail. The high-resolution cameras provide crystal-clear images, allowing you to identify faces, license plates, and other critical details with unmatched precision. In addition, the wide field of view these cameras offer is another significant advantage. They have the ability to cover larger areas, reducing the number of cameras needed and subsequently the overall cost. This means more security, less equipment, and of course fewer blind spots. Moreover, high-definition video security systems are known for their improved night vision capabilities. The advanced technology enables them to capture high-quality images even in low-light conditions. This is particularly beneficial in warehouse environments where lighting conditions can vary. Another remarkable benefit is the digital zoom feature. Unlike standard definition systems, high-definition cameras retain the image quality even when zoomed in. This can prove invaluable when you need to focus on specific details. The fifth benefit lies in the compatibility of high-definition video security systems with modern technology. They can easily be integrated with existing security systems and can be accessed remotely from smartphones or computers. This gives you the convenience of monitoring your warehouse anytime, anywhere. Finally, the durability and longevity of these systems cannot be overstated. High-definition video security systems are designed to withstand various environmental conditions, making them a reliable choice for warehouse environments. To summarize, the benefits of high-definition video security in warehouse environments are numerous. They offer superior image quality, a wider field of view, enhanced night vision capabilities, effective digital zoom, seamless compatibility, and remarkable durability. These features combine to provide a comprehensive security solution that safeguards your warehouse and brings you peace of mind. So, when it comes to securing your warehouse, the choice is clear. High-definition video security systems offer a level of protection that is simply unparalleled. They're not just a security measure, they're an investment in the safety and longevity of your business. And in today's world, that's an investment worth making. Call DNA Security Services, videosecurity.com for more information and find out how to get a free 4K Vandal Dome camera. 469-275-9660.